morning, Sister Ahmad Baihaki and friends, Bro Marjoko.
Yeah, I'm
Good
fine.
morning, Bro Rizky.
Well, how are you today, guys?
I'm good. How about you?
Okay, I'm good today. Thank you so much. All right. Today is Friday. Is it true? Is it Friday, Bro Marjoko and friends?
Yes, correct. This is
Yes,
Friday.
it's Friday, yeah. All right. Like here's well, Friday is the most, oh sorry, Friday is the happiest day for me. Okay.
Friday is beautiful day
Yeah,
because tomorrow is
free.
day off.
Day off, yeah. All right. That's sorry guys, I still have class with at university, so I have to go again. Okay, so everyone, today we are going to discuss again about our topic for speaking. This is about holiday and vacation. Wait a minute, let me open first our lesson today. All right, here we go. Bro Marjoko, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay, so what's your plan for weekend, bro?
Uh, for weekend usually I don't have the plan. Uh, usually when I have a day off, like Saturday on Monday, I'm only uh, playing with my child, maybe washing the car, maybe washing the uniform and washing the motorbike, or go around, walking around.
Okay, okay. So it's just family time and do the house chores ya, melakukan pekerjaan rumah ya, bro ya.
Yes, like that.
Yeah, so thank you so much. Well, here we go. Holiday and vacation. Vocation itu kalau vocation itu apa namanya? Kejuruan atau biasanya untuk anak sekolah ya. Tapi kalau vacation itu liburan, sama kayak holiday. So usually American they say vacation, but British they say holiday. So you may choose which one do you choose. Then let me ask let me ask Bro Muh Askar. Hello, Bro Askar. Are you there?
Yes, I'm here, bro.
Bro Askar, where are you from?
I come from Makassar,
From
Sulawesi.
Makassar. All right. So, Bro Askar, anyway, what do you do when you get bored usually, bro? What do you like to do? What usually do you do?
Mau pergi kemana ya?
No, I mean, when you get bored, ketika bosan, get bored, so what do you do? Apa yang berlakukan?
I think I'm not go holiday, but I'm running. Maybe
So,
running, maybe swimming.
running and
Swimming
swimming. Okay, why do you like them?
because
Running and
make me
swimming.
healthy.
All right. What if you feel bored at night?
At night, I'm just maybe playing game, watching movie.
Okay, playing games and watching movie. What's your hobby, bro, Askar?
Running and swimming.
Running and swimming is are your hobbies. All
Yeah,
right.
of course.
So what about traveling? Do you like traveling or not?
Something I'm like if I have much money.
All right. So let's say, bro, if you are in Makassar, if not mistaken, Makassar is Makassar is near beach, bro, yeah?
Yes, have a beach
Okay.
and have a island.
Island, all right. So that's
Yeah.
why very nice to go explore the nature. And do you like going to beach, bro?
Yes, I like going to beach and maybe I'll go beach to watch sunset and maybe I go to beach to swimming.
Hmm, that's very nice. With whom do you go usually? With your friends, family, or what?
Maybe with my friend, maybe me alone, and with my family sometimes.
Hmm. What about your house? Is it near beach, your house?
Just three, 1 hour from my home to go to beach.
Oh, it's a bit so far, bro.
Not,
Mm-mm. Sedikit lumayan jauh because
because not
my
yet, not literally. No.
okay. Is it in the city, bro?
Right now, I'm yes in the city.
In the city. All right. My friends, they are from Celebes, Sulawesi, but usually if they want to go to beach, yeah, only 10 minutes, 15 minutes.
Oh,
Every day they can eat fish. Okay.
yeah, because in Celebes have much fish.
Yeah, easy to get, yeah.
Yes, of course.
All right. Well, thank you so much. Yes,
Uh,
everyone. Now let's watch this video, everyone. After that, I would like to ask you about this video. Let's watch together for a moment. Here we go.
For some of the most impressive islands on Earth, head to this corner of the Pacific. Welcome to Mojo Travels, and today we're counting down our picks for the top 8 reasons why Indonesia should be your next vacation destination. Are you a fan of our videos? Be sure to subscribe to Mojo Travels and ring the bell to be notified about our latest videos. For this list, we're looking at a variety of cool reasons you should check out this fascinating and heavily populated Asian nation. Yogyakarta, a large city on the island of Java, which is itself the most populous island in the world, Yogyakarta has been growing in popularity in recent years. A calmer, more culturally focused version of the country's capital, Jakarta, which is also on Java, it's an ideal destination for learning more about Indonesia. Paying homage to both the Hindu and Buddhist traditions, Yogyakarta is surrounded by important religious sites. You can also visit vast paddy fields and see how rice, the country's staple food, has been grown for centuries. Or stop at Kalibiru National Park to appreciate the natural beauty of the area. Back in the city itself, you'll be treated to a rich artistic environment, with lots of concerts and performances. Mount Bromo, the crowning glory of the Tengger Massif, a large volcanic region with many active volcanoes. Mount Bromo is a popular hiking spot. The climb to the peak isn't the hardest trek out there, and can be completed in around 2 hours, but when you reach the top, you'll nonetheless be treated to views of the stunning volcanic vista. At only 7,600 feet, it's by no means the tallest peak around, but is Indonesia's most popular mountain by quite a substantial margin. You could spend a whole week just exploring Java's volcanic east side, though it is worth remembering the area can be unstable and eruptions are common. Diving. Indonesia is one of the countries whose waters make up part of the Coral Triangle, an enormous coral reef in Southeast Asia that's home to 2,000 different species of fish and 6 different species of sea turtles. Because of all this natural beauty, Indonesia is a must-visit for diving enthusiasts. For the best spots, you'll want to go to Raja Ampat, a cluster of gorgeous but rarely visited islands. From here, you can go swimming in the shallows or take a boat out to the open water, where you'll be able to see some of Earth's most beautiful marine life up close. Komodo dragons. The animal kingdom's largest lizards are endemic to Indonesia, and if you're interested in seeing them, a visit to their namesake island, Komodo, is well worth the trip. While you certainly shouldn't try to pet the dragons, there are lots of places where you can see them both in the wild and in captivity. Be warned though, these lizards are large meat eaters with a venomous bite, more than capable of killing a human. However, there have been talks of closing the island to tourists for a year or so in order to help the lizard population grow and thwart smuggling. So if you're desperate to see real-life dragons, you'll want to confirm the island is welcoming tourists before you pick a date. Temples. Indonesia is home to the largest Buddhist temple in the entire world, Borobudur, which you can find just outside of Yogyakarta. Located in Java, this stunning monument dates back to the 9th century. Even if you aren't religious, the architecture is stunning and has been known to leave many visitors speechless. In the same trip, you can also visit Prambanan, an enormous Hindu temple built over 1,000 years ago and dedicated to Shiva, as well as other temples for Vishnu and Brahma. Across the rest of Indonesia, you'll find many more temples, Hindu and Buddhist alike, all celebrating the country's religious diversity. Sumatra. Whereas some parts of Indonesia have become saturated with tourism, much of Sumatra is still wild and untouched. Its dense jungles aren't always accommodating to tourists, but the difficult conditions are worth it for the chance to see some of the world's most endangered animals, including the incredibly rare Sumatran tiger. You might also run into clouded leopards, orangutans, rhinos, and monkeys. But the scenery alone makes Sumatra a fantastic destination. It's home to Indonesia's largest and prettiest lake, Lake Toba. And if the coasts are more your thing, Sumatra has the country's top surfing spots. Jakarta. The Indonesian capital, Jakarta is a bustling metropolis nestled amidst the jungle. With an enormous population of 10 million people, the city is composed of brightly lit busy streets and enormous skyscrapers. With its prevalence of narrow streets, however, the best way to get around Jakarta is by motorcycle, Indonesia's most popular vehicle. It has lots of shopping opportunities, like Taman Anggrek Mall, as well as some more family-friendly attractions like Ragunan Zoo. For all the excitement of Indonesian wildlife without having to go off the beaten track, Jakarta has many opportunities. It's also home to Istiqlal Mosque, the largest of its kind in Southeast Asia. Bali. The world's #1 destination for backpackers, Bali has so much to offer that one could stay there for weeks, never even venturing into the rest of the country. Though we recommend a more well-rounded trip, we do get the appeal. Popular simultaneously for its exciting ceremonies, culture, and traditional arts, and for wild parties and hedonism, Bali has everything you need for a memorable vacation. With white beaches and green jungles, what's not to love? Sure, the volcanoes are a little overactive and it tends to get crowded with tourists, but it's a paradise nonetheless. Also, the famous Gili Islands are just a stone's throw away. Dreamy tropical getaways with plenty more diving to be enjoyed. Do you agree with our picks? Check out these other great clips from Mojo Travels, and be sure to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified about our latest videos.
Wow, thank you so much, everyone. Some tourism places
For some of the most impressive
that are very famous in Indonesia. And let me ask for you about this one, everyone. Let me go to Sister Angela. Hello, Sister Angela. Are you there? Sister Angela.
Hello.
Hello. Where are you from, sister?
I'm from Bangka Belitung.
From Bangka Belitung. Do you like
Yes.
traveling?
Not really.
Not really. But
Yes.
anyway, from those videos, from this that video about some tourism places in Indonesia, which one have you ever visited?
Basically, I've never traveled anywhere.
So you
Uh-huh.
never traveled to Java, Bali, Jogja?
Yeah.
All right. So
Mhm.
where do you go usually for traveling?
We in my place like have beach like that,
What is
and
the name?
Tengaran is called Sengaran.
Tekan-
It's like a beach.
Okay. How is the beach, sister? Could you explain to us how is the beach? Bagaimana pantainya?
Yeah, it's really beautiful, and the view is beautiful, and the sea is so blue like that. It's,
Mhm.
yeah.
Okay. Should we pay if you go to that place?
If you go to that beach, in Sunday, it's going to have we have to
Price.
pay. But if we like
Mm.
on like
Weekday.
Monday,
Mm.
yes, it's
Weekdays.
free.
It's free. So
Yeah.
if we pay, how much is it?
Uh, how we like,
How
5.000,
much?
five
5,000.
5,000, yeah,
Oh, it's
5,000.
5,000. But is
Uh-huh.
there any accommodation such as hotel or something like that for living? Is
I'm
there?
sorry, sorry.
Is there any hotel for living there?
Oh, um, I'm not sure. There's
You're not sure.
no. Uh,
Okay. Well, do you often go to that place, sister?
um, yes, with my friends.
With your friends? Is it near to
Mhm.
your home, to your house?
Yes.
How many minutes you go?
Um, maybe 10 minutes.
Oh, wow. It's so near. Very near.
Yeah.
Wow. Thank you so much, Sister
Yes.
Angela.
Thank you.
My pleasure. Well, next, Sister Indah. Hello, Sister Indah. Sister Indah, are you there? No answer. Okay. Sister Anggraini, Sister Indah, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. Anyway, did you watch that video last time? Tadi lihat videonya nggak?
Iya, lihat.
Yeah, okay. So let's say there are many tourism places in that videos. Okay, in that video. So which one did you ever go? Have you ever gone? Yang pernah dikunjungi sister yang mana?
Yogyakarta.
Yogyakarta only.
Mm-mm.
Okay, so where are you from?
I'm from Madura.
From Madura to Yogyakarta. All right. So what do you think of what do you think about Jogja, sister?
Mm, I think Yogyakarta is very beautiful.
All right. Then how long did you stay there?
One
Stay
day.
in Jogja. On only one day.
Yes.
What did you do? That's for holiday or what?
Uh,
Mm-hmm.
I just go to the beach.
Parangtritis. Am I
Yeah.
true?
Mm-mm.
Okay. Well, so with whom did you go? Family, friends?
With my family.
With your family. All right. Sister Indah, what is the most beautiful destination in Madura, sister? What is the most beautiful destination? Destinasi yang paling
Yeah.
bagus di Madura itu apa?
I don't know. I rarely go out.
Okay. Are you student or you work?
I'm student.
You are student. College, yeah, or senior high school. Siswa SMA atau kuliah?
SMP.
Oh, SMP. Oh, still junior high school. All right. So do you go to school today or not?
No.
Today is free.
Aku mondok.
Okay, yeah, I got it. Wow, that's very nice, sister. Thank you so much.
Welcome.
Okay, here we go. Box vocabularies. Ada tourist attraction, ya. Apa namanya? Tempat wisata, okay. And then tujuan wisata, ada travel around, berkeliling, back and forth, bolak-balik. Staycation itu liburan tapi yang menginap, like you go to hotel. Explore, hand gift itu kerajinan tangan ya. Oke. Ada nature, alam seperti waterfall, beach, mountain, camping, suitcase, koper, destinations, tujuan, zoo, kebun binatang, sunbath, itu berjemur, breathtaking view, pemandangan yang indah, guide, itu membimbing atau guide, memandu untuk wisata, ada tour guide, pemandu wisata. So everyone, today I want you to tell your friends about your place at home. Teman-teman explain yang kayak kemarin ya. Jadi masih ingat ketika teman-teman QU. You can say QU, Sister Ainun. Mengantri ya. Oke, QU, mengantri. So, teman-teman masih ingat kemarin ketika kita melatih speaking kita tentang menjelaskan sesuatu, kita durasinya kan kalau bisa harus 2 menit atau lebih. Nah, sekarang kalau misalnya teman-teman menjelaskan tentang tempat wisata, let's say, please tell me about the best destination, in your city, the best in your city, di kotamu. Kira-kira kalau kita menceritakan tentang the best destination in your city, kira-kira apa yang ada di benak teman-teman guys? Yang pertama diceritakan. What's that? Name of place, nama tempatnya ya. Satu misal. Yang kedua kira-kira apanya guys?
Food.
Alamat.
Alamat tadi sudah, nama name of place sudah masuk bagian sini. And then?
Wisata apa? Makanan, kuliner, and
religi. Name of place-nya dulu. Misalnya anggap aja namanya misalnya pantai aja dulu. Oke, beach, pantai. Kira-kira untuk menjelaskan pantai itu, apa yang harus kita jelaskan pertama adalah? Sorry, Cikat mungkin ya. Tadi kalau apa namanya, lokasi sudah masuk name of place tadi sudah bisa. And then apa lagi? Accommodation.
Yes.
Is it true? Accommodations-nya bagaimana? What else again? Ada lagi? What else? Oh, the view.
Hotels.
Apa tadi? Sorry.
Hotels.
Hotel sudah masuk dalam accommodation. Oke.
Yang menarik.
Oke. Stunning thing. Hal yang menariknya apa? Something unique. Atau kita tulis something stunning. Something stunningnya itu apa? Stunning itu yang menarik perhatian. Stunning. Something like this. Nanti bisa dicontohkan ya. Misalnya gini. Hi guys, I would like to tell you about one of the best destination in my in Trenggalek. Okay. So Trenggalek is one of the place or region in East Java, and you know East Java is very stellar about tourism places such as beach, nature, and also modern tourism places such as Jatim Park and so on. But today I'm going to tell you about one of the best destinations from the beach. So it's called Pasir Putih Beach or White Beach. Oh, yes. Okay, White Sand Beach in Trenggalek. Actually, there are many parts of it, but my favorite place is the name of the beach is Pasir Putih. And you know, if you go to this place, sometimes you pay, sometimes no. I mean, depends on the place you want to visit, because this place is managed by the government. So by Wonderful of Indonesia, So you have to pay if you go to Pasir Putih Beach. So if not mistaken, one person 25,000. Yeah. And then if you go to other beach, it's so near to the beach, so you don't need to pay. The name of the place, sorry, the name of the place is Batu Cengkrung. Okay. So if not, sorry, not Batu Cengkrung, yeah. A bit forget. It's like near to Damas Beach, names of it. So this beach is not managed by anyone. So it's just a beach, and usually many fishermen and many fishermen there, they catch the fish and so on. So you could buy fish over there as well, and so cheap, everyone. And Damas Beach and near to the beach, there is no accommodation. So if you want to live there, stay there, it is better you go to Pasir Putih Beach, because over there are hotels, and of course everything is available. But in Damas Beach there is no hotel. It's only like ink. Ink itu warung, okay, for eating. You buy some food and so on. But mostly people will come to this beach, then going to people who like natures, they like going to this beach. I mean Damas Beach and others, then go to Pasir Putih, because Pasir Putih is in Damas and near of the beach. No, you can enjoy the time there with the sunrise, sunset, or everything. You could enjoy that. And many foreigner, they make a camping there, so they stay there by their camping, and sometimes they bring car. What about the view? Of course, the view is a very, very amazing. It's so stunning, everyone. So, but the most stunning one from this beach, you could swim from the coastline until to the beach. It's about, let's say, 500 meters, 500 meter, okay, far away. You could swim, and I think the water is only let's say 150 centimeters only. So it's so amazing to swim, and of course the water is clean if you go in summer, I mean in dry season. Yeah, if a dry season, musim panas, the water looks clean, yeah, because it's not raining, something like that. That's what I could say about the best tourism place in Trenggalek, everyone, because I love to visit that place. Teman-teman boleh menceritakan juga sama kayak tadi. Nggak harus pantai ya, depends on you. You may tell about everything. Can be natural destinations, can be modern destination. Modern destination itu contohnya seperti apa sih? Ya, you can like Taman Mini Indonesia, and then Jatim Park, and then Lamongan Zoo perhaps, or in library, okay, National Library in Jakarta, okay, can be like others. So now, do you want to explain? Anybody want to try? Ada yang mau mencoba? Come on, anybody want to try? Okay, if not, kalau tidak ada, berarti you are ready to go to explain that to your friends. The first, you may tell about the best tourism place in your city, guys, and then you can also say about this, your opinion. Do you prefer going to natural destination or modern destinations, and why? Kenapa? Teman-teman bisa jelaskan di bagian sini. And then, what is that? After that, please, you can also speak about, or let's say for countries going to abroad, mungkin kita bisa buatkan voice note aja nanti ya. So the first, please explain about destinations in your city, can be 1 or 2. After that, use the questions in that PowerPoint, such as do you prefer modern or natural destinations with your friends, to enjoy your time to speak together with your friends. Okay, today is Friday. I hope you could enjoy the time together to speak about this, everyone, with friends. And let me divide you for a moment, then we can explore together. Okay. Okay, let's go, guys. Let me share you the questions on WhatsApp group for a moment, please. Two. Today, some of our friends are asking for permissions because they are busy. Mhm. Yes. Let's go, guys. Click the button. Teman-teman bisa diklik buttonnya to go. Bro Haris, let's say to room 3, please, Bro Haris. And then Bro Tata, let's say to room 5. Bro Zerok, let's say to room 4. Can be. Okay. Bro Ius, oh done. Oh, Zoom, please. Let's say to room 5. Bro Zurab, Mister Tata, Mister Indah. Okay. That's Sister Elisa and Sister Intan Paramita. Oops, done. Bro Abdul Majid. Okay. Mister Indah, let's say to room 6, yeah. I put you there. Come on, Sister Indah, and let me join there. I start from room 6, guys.